So Zack Morris has been one of the most talked and participated coins over the course of last few days. And actually, you may be wondering, well, how are you going to compare Zack Morris coin to Trumpy Dance? Because Zack Morris is only at 31 million market cap, and you guys are 100 million on Trumpy Dance. How's that even fair to ask a question? Which coin will hit 1 billion first? I'm going to show you the charts right now, guys, so you can see, okay, something that I've been trying to warn you and tell you about in many videos. Now, Zack Morris is a big-time influencer with a huge following over the years on YouTube. Okay, so he launches the coin. It goes into the stratosphere. Actually, it gets to our market capitalization. So this is the only coin, guys, that has actually lived since launch a little bit less than Trumpy Dance so far. So Zack launched the coin 13 days ago. We launched Trumpy Dance 15 days ago. Officially, we're over 100 million market cap, and Zack Morris is at 31 million. So the question is this, guys. When I was going to record this comparison, it was yesterday, and Zack Morris coin was at 100 million market cap. So why is it at 31 million right now? Let's take a closer look. So for those of you that are new to trading meme coins, you're going to see what happens to majority of meme coins. So let's take a look. Okay, guys, so this was yesterday when I was going to record a video, and the market cap of Zack Morris was very comparable to Trumpy Dance. But this is what happened over the last 24 hours. So the coin is down like 5x. And actually, when we made this snapshot of a market cap comparison, it said 31 million. Right now, as you can see, it's at 25 million. So it's moving to the downside in a very rapid pace, guys. And so that was something I was trying to reference in many videos. Okay, most of the people, they will get in a meme coin at a very wrong time, and when they're going to see this, they're going to panic, they're going to sell. Now, Zack's got a great following. He's got a great fucking coin, okay? But guess what? People panic. People panic all the time. And this is a great trade. I'm actually quite confident that Zack Morris coin will go higher, okay? But the question is, where was your entry? Okay, because nobody's going to hold this. If your entry was here or here or here or here or here, which if you studied 13 market moves courses as far as chart patterns concerned, you would have known this is a top information. So you would have had the ability to persevere and wait for a better entry. Or most of you, okay, would still panic. Okay, maybe you would come in right here and you'd buy, like some people did on this green candle right here, and then what? You're thinking, okay, well, now it's going to pump back up. Well, shit, there's another leg down, okay? And so clearly, no matter how, how confident you were at the point that it was going to bounce from here, at this point, you're panicking and you're getting out and you're closing probably very close to the lows. I mean, how much lower can it go? Can it go a little bit low? Sure. But overall, probably go slightly sideways. Okay. But people are panicking. They're getting out in huge fucking volume. Okay. And so just in the last 24 hours, I mean, it's down more than 40%. That is what I was trying to reference in a video I posted yesterday when I was trying to compare Memecoin, meme coin compared to Trumpy Dance Memecoin. So the main advantage is the chart of Trumpy Dance. You don't have to worry about these kind of fluctuations. So if you trade meme coins and you're like, yeah, but this is what happens to them. Yes, actually, Zack Morris coin is like way fucking better than like 90% of coins out there. Okay, and it still does this. Okay, so when you trade in meme coins, nobody's protected from this. And clearly, I mean, you could have made money if you got in here, but most of the people, when the majority people got in, it was right over here. And so you get this. And most of the coins, they have this same chart, but within 24 hours from launch. Basically, they pump up, and within half an hour, sometimes they can erase all the gains. So as strong as the following that Zack Morris has, guess what, guys? He wasn't able to save his coin from doing this, okay? And this is why we launched Trumpy Dance coin. So let me show you the chart of Trumpy Dance so you can avoid situations like this. Because no matter how strong of a trader you are, no matter how strong you think you're emotionally, when you're going to enter the trade right here, and now it's here, you're going to get the fuck out. So if there's going to be another, if you're still in the trade and there's going to be another red candle right here, you're going to be done. You're going to be out. You're going to say, fuck it, I'm not trading another meme coin in my life. And so we designed Trumpy Dance Coin in such a way that an average trader wouldn't lose out on crazy fluctuations like this. That an average trader wouldn't have to make emotional decisions jumping in here and jumping out when it's almost the worst time to do so. So ultimately, Zack Morris coin is going to go higher, but guess what? You could have avoided this huge drop. You could have avoided this huge drop by simply doing what? By simply going with a Trumpy Dance coin, which is programmed, coded, okay, open source code. You can go look it, check it out, okay? It is coded to protect everyone that is participating in the Trumpy Dance Memecoin. So now you understand what 90% plus of coins are going to do. Now you understand what coins are going to do, even if they got some big names behind them. They have a huge following, okay? So the question is, if you're sick and tired of these pump and dump, basically that's what the pattern is. I'm saying it's a great coin, but it still has the pattern of a pump and dump, which is where a lot of traders get fucked, okay? So if you are trying to avoid this, if you want to buy an actual coin that is not going to do this kind of crazy fluctuations to where you can go to sleep good at night and wake up and see your coin in the green, okay, let's take a look at the chart that's going to offer you that. Okay, guys, so here's the chart of Trumpy Dance. As you can see throughout the history, there's no crazy fluctuations. And you're going to say, well, yeah, but look, it's not going crazily higher today. But guess what's also true? It's not dropping. A lot of coins are down today. Why? Well, because Bitcoin is down, Ethereum is down, okay? And yes, our coin is tied to Ethereum. Therefore, when Ethereum drops, okay, you're going to see at times some red candles. Nobody's selling it, okay? Nobody's selling Trumpy Dance. Nobody will be selling Trumpy Dance because the code is designed that everyone hodls it. Everyone holds Trumpy Dance. That's why you see a very smooth, solid chart that consistently goes higher, okay? This is a chart that consistently goes high without any crazy corrections, which causes people, traders, to lose their fucking mind, make emotional decisions, and jump out. So basically, if you want to be a part of something that you can participate, take a trade, okay, and just let the bigger move develop, because the money will be made on the big move here with Trumpy Dance. Okay, but you're not going to have crazy pump and dump situations, okay, on day-to-day basis. Okay, we already out-survived, okay, and outperformed majority, like 99% plus of meme coins. They don't get to live to see a chart like this because they're going to pump, people going to panic, they're going to get the fuck out. And if you got your entry wrong, okay, you're screwed. So if you're sick and tired of trading those type of meme coins, you come to Trumpy Dance, okay, because this chart is absolutely solid. There's absolutely nothing to fear here because everyone's got same conditions, okay? Everybody can begin selling Trumpy Dance when Trump wins the election, okay? So for those of you that don't believe he's going to win the election, guys, don't buy it, okay? Fuck it, this coin is not for you. Go buy fucking Biden coin, okay? I don't give a shit, okay? But if you got the vision, okay, if you understand what's happening, okay, then you know for a fact Trump has already won. The victory has been declared. It is real. It has already happened. So I think the closer you get to the election, there's only one outcome. There's going to be more and more people participating in this chart for multiple reasons because it is secure. Okay, because if you understand that the victory is inevitable and will be official on November 5th or 6th, then the only ultimate outcome is this coin goes higher. And it's just a matter of time when more and more people are going to realize that that is exactly what's going to happen. So you're going to have the greatest number of participants coming into Trumpy Dance win September, October. And by that time, guys, the price is going to be substantially higher. So if you're sick and tired of participating in pump and dumps, okay, you come into something and participate into something that's going to progress smoothly, slowly, without any crazy fluctuations to the downside that in all other meme coins are going to cause you to lose your mind, to lose your emotions, to lose your position that ultimately could have made you money, but by that point you're already out of the fucking position. So in order to avoid these simple mistakes that every trader faces at one point, okay, this is how we designed Trumpy Dance to make sure that people don't panic at their own moment, okay? Like people ask me, whoa, but what if Trump goes to jail? guys, if Trump goes to jail, for a fact he's going to win the fucking election, okay? If Trump goes to jail, okay, I'll tell you how crazy Trumpy Dance goes to the moon, okay? And then you may be asking, well, what if he doesn't go to jail? Well, then Trumpydance goes to the fucking moon. So it doesn't matter what the fuck is the outcome here this week. I think either way, okay, Trumpydance is going to shoot to the moon. So right now we're still trading at 0.01299. So basically 0.013 is where we at, okay? And I mean, there is a chance that by the end of the week, we're going to double. We're potentially going to triple in the next 7 to 12 days. Guys, it's a 3x, 5x. I don't know. I don't know. Things are about to get out of control with this coin, and it's going to go literally to where you think this chart looks good. I mean, wait till what you're about to see, okay? So, guys, the message is simple. Okay, if you're a trader and you're trading meme coins and you're tired of buying them at the wrong time, it just seems like every time you think something's going to go higher, it fucking drops and you lose money. Every time you think, okay, that you're buying the dip and it's a good deal, okay, guess what? It goes sideways for a little bit and then it fucking drops again and you lose money. Every time you seem like you're trying to catch a momentum before it does this, okay, actually the opposite happens. And every time you think, okay, that this is the top and you're selling, okay, guess what? Things just go higher. So what I'm telling you, okay, this move is going to continue higher with or without you. You could be looking at this chart. You could be like, well, but yeah, but it's already up. It's already up. Wait, you know, how can it not drop? It cannot drop, okay, because everyone that buys this coin agrees to the conditions of the coin, which is we hold for the victory. Okay, we hold for the Trump victory. And then, guys, it is the simplest trade anyone can take. This coin will outperform 99.999% of all meme coins over the course of the next 161 days. The only question is, will you buy it now or will you be buying it next week when it's going to be trading at, let's say, where could we be trading next week? I mean, somewhere here, 2 pennies right now with like just slightly over 1 penny. But we could be going to 2 pennies, 2.5 pennies, 3 pennies. Guys, we are heading way up here on the chart in the next 7 to 12 days. The question is, do you want to wait for that? Because if you're going to wait 7 days, you're going to end up paying 3 times more than what you're able to pay for it right now. So this is a beautiful thing. If you're watching this, okay, on May 28th, this is a beautiful thing for you. This is great news for you because I'm telling you, this is an awesome entry. And you're going to look back at this 7 to 12 days from now and be like, fuck, I wish I did it. I wish I did it. Why didn't I fucking do it? And then you're going to be sitting there again and you're going to keep watching it higher. And then you're going to be like, fuck, I should have done it at 2 cents. I should have done it at 3 cents. And ultimately, you're going to be watching it go all the way to $1. And you're probably going to end up buying it like $1.03. But why do that when you can buy it right now at a penny? And avoid all the headaches that come with all the other meme coins, okay? At some point, most of them, within the first few days, they're going to collapse. Zack Morris, as good of a coin is, it collapsed within the first 13 days. We are standing strong in days and market conditions when the rest of the coins are dropping. We are not fucking dropping, guys, okay? We've been fluctuating today, plus minus a few percent. Okay, nothing huge, but we're not dropping, okay? So if you're sick and tired of your positions dropping, if you get emotional, you jump out of good trades, this is what Trumpy Dance can do for you. It can allow you to hold on and cash out on the bigger move by when victory is accomplished, guys. So it's going to be a great thing. And guys, if you think about the real catalyst here, the real catalyst, Trump wins, crypto goes exponentially higher, Ethereum goes higher. Our coin is tied up to Ethereum. So basically, Ethereum goes to 7,000, Trumpy Dance automatically goes higher because it's got this positive correlation to Ethereum. So understand, when Trump wins on November 6th, crypto will have one of the biggest fucking runs when Trump victory is official, okay? But chances are crypto is going to continue running because, as I said, more and more people, with each day we get closer to the election, more people are going to actually realize, look, Trump has won, which means crypto has won. And if there's only one outcome to that, crypto goes higher. So if you understand the basic logic behind this trade, guys, it is the simplest trade you can take. Okay, the only way you shouldn't take it if you cannot hold on 161 days, okay, to this beautiful victory. All right, if you want to continue trading other meme coins, they're gonna pump and dump on you. Hey, at some point you're gonna end up with Trumpy Dance because you're gonna get sick and tired of doing that. But why wait for that? Okay, why lose money on other meme coins when you can come in, stay patient for 161 trading days, okay, and come out victoriously on Trumpy Dance and do your dance of victory. You should begin doing your dance of victory today on May 28th, guys. Unless of course, you know, you want to go and do something like this, right? Let's see what's happening. While I'm recording this, is what I told you, right? So if you're holding this here, I told you there's going to be another red candle here. So while we're talking about Trumpy Dance, there's another red candle. And guess what people are doing now? They're getting the fuck out. All the people that had the patience to hold right here, that thought they were buying the dip, they're getting out now. Now the emotions are fucking with these traders that got in right here because they were like, man, it's going to pump. And instead, it's dumping. And sometimes things are just going to dump right in front of you, okay, before they're going to move higher. So if you're holding Zack coin, hey, don't lose your faith. All right, I'm sure the coin's going to go up. But the question is, how many days will you have to wait? Okay, you may have to wait 161 days, okay, just for it to come back to this level again. But the point is, why would you do that when you can go with Trumpy Dance and you can wait the same 161 days, but you don't have to go for this shit, number one, okay? And basically, because of the numbers I've explained to you, the coin's going to go way the fuck higher. So the choice is yours, but if you trade meme coins, most of them are going to do this. So choose the ultimate winner. And the winner is the trade that is simple. That's why you should do your Trumpy Dance today. Roll with Trumpy Dance, guys. It's the easiest trade in the world when it comes to meme coins. Big time. If you have any questions about it, get in touch with us at trumpydance.com. Follow us on Twitter at Trumpy Dance. Visit our YouTube channel at 13 Market Moves. Let's go. Trumpy Dance, begin dancing.